Arcane Gauntlets dropped in Valorant back in September 2024. And even though it's been a while, I still get comments about them, mostly from people seeing weird errors like VAL-43 connected to the gauntlets. That's exactly why I'm making this video, to clear up what these gauntlets are, why the error shows up, and what you should do about it. And if you're still stuck after this, I'll leave a link in the description to another video that walks you through fixing VAL-43 directly. Arcane Gauntlets are basically a melee skin that came with the Arcane bundle. Shortly after launch, a bug showed up. If you equipped them and used Trophy Flex, the trophy would blow up in size and block vision. Riot quickly disabled the gauntlets and their upgrade level until they fixed the issue. Now, the error VAL-43 usually just means your client timed out. But ever since this gauntlet bug, the error sometimes shows the gauntlet's name with it. That happens because the game tries to load the gauntlet's data, fails, and kicks you out. It can even show up for people who don't own the skin. So don't stress. It's not a problem with your PC. It's just a known bug with this melee skin. Riot has already disabled it, and once they patch it, the gauntlets will be back. In the meantime, if you're facing the VAL-43 issue in general, check out the video I linked below. It'll walk you through the actual fixes step by step.